You use Postman to test APIs. You want to test? You go here. You open up Postman. Here's the plus sign. You click it. You can add in your URL that you want to test. Here are your verbs. Get, post, put, delete is the ones you'll normally use. Let's say we want to test a get. Okay, so I'd put get and I would put the URL. I'm assuming right now that we don't have to worry about authorization. Authorization can all be done down here from basic token to bearer token. I can talk about that later. I'm not going to talk about that today. So let's say I want to do a get. I have an endpoint, tvance929. I want to get some comments. I have get. I have the address in here, and I just hit the send button. And there, voila, I've got a 200. It took 205 milliseconds, and here is the information that I just got. I got some JSON, a body, post. This is all the comments. I could also look at the posts. Hey, you got an API? Oh, sorry, you got an API? What about the posts? There's my posts. I can also test an actual post endpoint that's expecting the post verb. Let's say I want to add some comments. I'm going to go to body. I'm going to say raw and say that it's JSON. I'm going to throw in a body comment. Post ID, I'm going to say, hey, put this comment onto the ID number 2. I hit send. And down here you can see that it was a response of 201 that it was created. 125 milliseconds. And they sent me back my new comment onto post ID number 2. And it's a comment, and its ID is number 3. So I just did a post verb. I just did a get verb. I added information. I got information. That's how you test APIs using Postman.